nila ako dili angay nga magmangkat sa imong gugma. Pagkapait baya kining kinabuhi sa pobre pada. More love, more power, more of you in my life. I will worship you with all of my heart. I will worship you with all of my mind. I will worship you with all of my strength. The most important in life is having a relationship with our Lord Jesus Christ. The best attire is our smile. The best assets is our faith, and the most powerful force is our love. Hope this will give you an inspiration today. Akala mo lang wala. Akala mo lang wala, pero mayroon. Mayroon! Sinabi ko na sa inyo, mayroon. Mayroon. Bakit hindi kayo naniniwala?